What up, though? Back in the lab. Just finished up the Ls400 Big Break upgrade. So I actually shot a video for it before, but like the lighting and how I positioned the camera wasn't right. So I'm reshooting it. I actually had to have one of my homeboys come by and grind a few things because I didn't have a grinder or anything like that. Because you got to grind the spindle or the caliper. So therefore, enough of me talking. Here's my homeboy grinding the spindle and caliper. Welcome back. Good looking out, Giz. Appreciate you doing that for me. You know what I'm saying? So, it's been a homie for a long time, and he came by out of nowhere and helped me. So, enough of me talking. Here we go. So, sorry the lighting's kind of bad, but we are in my garage. That is the LS400 Big. So, you can understand how it looks in the light. So, finally finished that. Also, here is my old rotors and calipers and stuff like that. So, got that stuff too. So, I'm going to sit on that. You never know, you might need them, especially if I get another SC as a daily. It's been a hot, sweaty day today, 90 degrees in Michigan. So us northerners not really used to that. So, cars coming along. I could just keep showing you guys the same stuff, bam, but hopefully we get the engine there really soon, I am selling my BMW ZF, the Jay-Z swap kit, because I have a plan for that. Here it is. It's brand new clutch. The flywheel's brand new and everything, brand new slave cylinder. And with the trans from a 330i, that actually ran and shifted good. Just the guy was parting it out. So two shifters, OEM shifter and eBay shifter should be here whenever UPS, whatever, decides to drop it off. But everything, all the rest of this stuff is brand new. So if you see it on the groups or on the internet or anything like that, that's my kit for sale. So selling it because I got some other plans. So just a real quick video. This video shouldn't be in depth in anything, but it took a while. So make sure when you're doing it, of course you got the right hand tools. What I'm speaking of is a caliper and rotor and stuff. You have the right hand tools, but make sure you have like a grinder or something so you can grind down the things. So that's what you really need. What else? What else? That's really about it. Oh, my wiring harness should be here within a few. So I'll get that wiring harness together, get that in there. Probably when I get the engine in. So, but if that trans kit don't sell too soon, about a week and a half, I'm going to say screw it. I'm going to put it together, put everything in because I am missing out on the summer. Good looking out, COVID. Screwed everything up. But it is what it is. So, going to be selling a few parts too, that I got from the junkyard today because I was at the junkyard before I started this, fuel pump ECU, those are blowing out, and I know you guys always need them and stuff like that. Yeah, bolts drop, whatever. It's okay. A few other parts too, window regulators and stuff like that. But yeah, man. I mean, it's coming together. Gotta tighten that up. This is in my wheel well. End up grinding through it. Should have did it in the first place, but I screwed up that up. But yeah, gotta get that together, tighten all this stuff up, and get it ready. We're gonna probably have my boy Ethan redo my grounds, as you can see. Just do it better, tighter, maybe new wiring and stuff like that, because it is pretty old. So But yeah, get that all redone. Always good to have good grounds, especially since I'm gonna have a system. I don't know about y'all, but I actually like having a sound system within my car, so I'm gonna get that together. But besides that, nothing else. So check back for another update. As I always say, build your car for yourself. Take your time and build it. You know, because a lot of us don't have shops to build things for us, so we got to do what we can for ourselves, and just keep building. Never give up on your project. A lot of times I want to give up because I can't put that much money into my project, and like it was a cruise this weekend, missed it. I missed all the cruises really this year already, but it is what it is, man. It could be worse. You know what I'm saying? At least I have something to actually build. So with that said, keep on keeping on, and build for yourself, and just take care. All right, peace.